Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to install Python pip on a Windows machine. Okay, so if you're looking for a full Python install video, this is not the video for you, but I do have a Python install video and I'll leave a link to that in the description below. Okay, so to install pip, first of all, to get started, you need to open a web browser, browse to the pip website and the installation page on that website. So you can see on my screen here, I'm on that page, and I'll leave a link to this in the description. But on this page, when you scroll down here, you can see there is a command here that needs to be run to install pip. So what I'm going to do is open a command prompt. I'll click down here, type cmd, hit enter. Okay, so that's opened up the command prompt for me. Then you can see the command here. I'm just going to run that. So py-m and then ensurepip -- upgrade and hit enter. Okay, so that command should go and look for the pip package and install it here on my machine. So obviously you need to have Python installed first for this to work. And in most cases now, with a fresh Python install, pip will come installed by default. Okay, so you can see that process has kicked off. Probably take a few minutes just to connect the install files and actually run through the install process. So I'll just leave that run. Okay, so you can see here it's telling me that pip has been successfully installed. So if we want to confirm that, I'm just going to run the pip version command here in my window. So to do that, you just run again py-m then pip -- version. Hit enter. Okay, and you can see it's telling me pip 22.3 is installed. Okay, so fairly straightforward process. If you found the video useful, please give it a like, and thanks for watching.